This is Siberia. Minus 50 degrees. No trees.
The thermometer gave up at minus 50, but the air feels even colder. My breath freezes before it hits the ground.
My tent is completely transparent. No camouflage, no warmth. Just a thin membrane between me and death. Inside, it's the same temperature as outside. The tent doesn't trap heat. It only traps me. First rule of minus 50. Don't touch the walls. Your skin will freeze instantly to the plastic.
Every exhale adds moisture. That moisture freezes on the ceiling. Soon, it's snowing inside my tent.
Ground is colder than air. I've got 2 layers of foam. Without that, I'd be a corpse by morning. My bag is rated for minus 40. That's 10 degrees too weak. So tonight, never sleep with frozen boots. Your body heat melts the ice, then it refreezes. You wake up with frost-bitten feet. Down booties. Light as air. Warm as a fireplace. Best investment of my life. 1 liter of boiling water inside a Nalgene. Wrap it in a sock. That's my furnace for the next 6 hours. Put it at your feet. Your core will stay warm if your feet are warm. Basic human plumbing. Jacket goes on the line. If it stays on me, sweat freezes. If it hangs, ice sublimates away. Never seal the bag completely. Your breath adds moisture. Moisture means ice. Ice means death. 10 p.m. Minus 52 now. The real cold comes after midnight. I have 8 hours to survive.
The ceiling is clear. I can see every star. Beautiful and terrifying. No insulation from the universe.
Wolves. They won't attack a tent this small. But they know I'm here. The clear walls give me away. Body heat is raising the bag's interior. 20 degrees above outside. Still not enough. My nose would freeze in 10 minutes. This mask captures my breath's warmth and recycles it. Look at that. My own breath is turning against me. The tent is becoming an ice cave. Shivering is good. It means you're still alive. When the shivering stops, you're hypothermic.
Hydration. Cold air dehydrates you faster than desert heat. Sip warm water every hour.
Snowstorm. The tent is transparent, but now it's turning white. I'm disappearing into the landscape. If snow accumulates, the tent collapses. So every 20 minutes, I push it off. No sleep tonight. My eyebrows froze solid an hour ago. I look like a ghost. I feel like one too. Midnight. Coldest hour. Minus 53. The air hurts to breathe. Each breath is a tiny stab. The hood has a drawstring. Tighten it so only your nose breathes out. Less moisture, less ice. My fingers are losing dexterity. That's the first sign of frostbite. I have to keep moving them. Fist open, fist open. Blood flow to the fingertips. Boring. But it saves digits. The northern lights, dancing right above my clear tent. In any other situation, I'd be amazed. Tonight, I'm just cold. Boots are dry. That's a win. Wet boots tomorrow mean frozen feet. Frozen feet mean amputation.
Wolves are closer. They can't get in. But the clear tent means they see every move I make. Don't move.
Ice is inside my bag now. Condensation from my own body. I'm sleeping in a freezer. The hot water bottle is still warm. 5 hours in. That's impressive. Thank you, physics. Now the bottle goes to my core. Keep the heart warm. Everything else follows. A crack. The plastic is getting brittle. Minus 50 makes everything snap. If the tent splits, I'm dead. Repair tape. Always carry it. One small crack becomes a giant tear. Then the wind owns you. Wind chill. Minus 50 with no wind is bad. With wind, it's minus 70. The tent is screaming.
My breath froze my mask shut. I can't inhale. Panic. Panic will kill you faster than cold.
Don't panic. Scrape the ice. Breathe. You're fine. The cold wants you to panic. Don't give it the pleasure. 2 a.m., the coldest hour in Siberia, minus 54. My body is screaming. But I'm still here.
Eating. The bar is frozen solid. I have to melt it in my mouth for 5 minutes before I can swallow.
Last of the warm water. After this, only cold. But cold water steals your core heat. So I sip slow. The tent is no longer transparent. It's a block of ice. I'm inside an ice cube. Surreal. I scrape a peephole. There's nothing out there. Just white. I could be anywhere. Or nowhere. The permafrost is cracking. The earth itself is breaking from the cold. And I'm lying on top of it. Sitting up. Move the arms. Blood circulation. If you stay still too long, you freeze in place. Toes are still wiggly. That's a miracle. 10 toes still attached. Thank you, down booties. The bottle is cooling. 6 hours in. I have 2 hours until dawn. Can I make it without heat?
Fetal position. Smallest surface area. Less heat loss. Every mammal knows this. Tonight, I'm a mammal. The wind stopped. That's worse. Wind moves air. Still air gets colder. Still air kills.
My hands are cold. Not freezing, but cold. I breathe into them. My breath is now my only furnace. 4 a.m., temperature rising, minus 52. Still lethal. But the worst is behind me. Is that dawn? No, that's just the moon. 3 more hours of darkness. Stay awake. Stay alive. Stuck my hand out. It hurts immediately. That's good. Pain means nerves still work. No pain means dead tissue. Glove is iced. Beat them together. Break the ice. Frozen gloves don't insulate. They conduct cold. A raven. That's life. If a raven is out there, the cold isn't absolute. I'm not alone. Toes are pink. Not white. Not black. Pink is good. Pink means blood. Blood means life. Last sip. Cold water. It hurts going down. Real dawn. Not the moon. The sun is coming. That's not just light. That's heat. Eventually.
6 a.m., I'm crawling out. The air is still minus 50, but the sun is rising. I made it.
My invisible shelter. This morning, it's a block of ice. But it kept me alive.
Fingers all 10, toes all 10, nose still attached. No frostbite. That's a miracle of preparation.
The sun. After 12 hours of darkness and cold, it feels like a god. A warm, yellow god. Packing up. The frost shatters like glass. Each piece is a breath I lost. 100,000 breaths.
No trace. No mark. The snow erases everything. If I died here, no one would find me for 100 years.
1 night down. 100 more to go. Siberia doesn't forgive. But today, it let me go. This is Cold Breath. Every week, we survive the impossible. If you want to see how far a human can go, like this video, subscribe. Cold Breath. Because survival is just a breath away.
And that is why you always bring a backup zipper. See you next week. Stay warm.
This is the frost. If you made it through minus 50 with me, hit like, subscribe, and stay cold. See you in the next storm.